The Iqoo 13 will be launching in India on December 5th, a new rumor claims. It's unclear if this will count as its international launch, and also if it will be unveiled in China ahead of that date. The Iqoo 13 will sport BOE's Q10 display, the Chinese panel maker's latest and greatest, with 2K resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, as well as higher brightness, a longer lifespan, lower color deviation, and lower power consumption than competing options. There will also be an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. The phone will be powered by the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of storage, and should have a trio of 50-megapixel cameras on the back, main, ultra-wide telephoto, as well as a massive 6,150 mAh battery with support for 100-watt wired charging. Over in India, it's rumored to start at around 55,000 Indian rupees, about $653 or 597 euros at the current exchange rates.